Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Watson, NACE Curriculum Development Director. I want to talk to you today about the January workshops that we're putting on involving secondary core subjects. Now, this is responding to requests from colleagues who are interested in going in greater depth in the core subjects and what that looks like for more able learners. The sessions will be research informed, they'll explore each subject in depth, including things like problem solving strategies. They're delivered by fantastic associates who are subject specialists who look at progression, oracy, retrieval practice and what the issues are for challenging high retainers at the moment across the core subjects. These will be online workshops because that, we believe, makes it more accessible for you. Book your place now because demand will be high and you need to be in the online room where it happens.